Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to study the development of drama in the age of transition. Introduction. The period known as the Age of Transition was remarkable for the noticeable decline in dramatic literature. Unlike previous eras rich in theatrical works, this time saw a significant reduction in the production and quality of plays, particularly tragedies. Despite the lack of notable dramatic works, a few exceptions in comedy and some efforts in tragedy are worth mentioning. Poverty of dramatic literature. Lack of notable works. The era was simply not a dramatic one. With the exception of a few comedies, the plays produced during this time are scarcely worth noting. Tragedy in particular suffered the most, with very few works achieving any lasting significance. Absence of clear explanation. No definitive explanation exists for this decline. The societal and cultural factors that typically influence the arts did not favor dramatic expression during this period. It appears that the theatrical arts did not resonate with the public or receive the necessary support to flourish. Significant tragedies of the period. Samuel Johnson's Irene, 1749. The sole tragedy previously mentioned in the discussions of this era is Samuel Johnson's Irene. Premiered in 1749, the play has been preserved from complete obscurity primarily due to the author's esteemed reputation rather than its intrinsic merits as a dramatic work. John Holmes Douglas, 1756. Another tragedy that enjoyed considerable popularity during its time was Douglas by John Home. Premiered in 1756, the play was well received and had a significant vogue. However, it has since faded into obscurity and is now almost forgotten in the annals of dramatic literature. Joanna Baillie's contributions. Historical blank verse tragedies. Joanna Baillie, 1762 to 1851, made notable contributions with her historical blank verse tragedies such as Count Basil and De Montfort, both published in 1798. These plays stood out for their exploration of human emotions and psychological depth. Reception and legacy. Baillie's plays offer interesting reading and were admired by her contemporaries. Notably, Sir Walter Scott praised her work, suggesting that she was a revival of Shakespeare's genius. Despite such high praise, her plays did not achieve lasting fame but remain significant for their literary merit and attempt to revive serious drama. Conclusion. The Age of Transition was marked by a surprising dearth of significant dramatic literature, especially in tragedy. While the era did not produce enduring works comparable to those of earlier periods, the efforts of playwrights like Samuel Johnson, John Home, and Joanna Baillie represent important attempts to sustain and rejuvenate dramatic arts. Their contributions, though not widely celebrated today, provide insight into the theatrical landscape of the time and reflect the challenges faced by dramatists in an age that was, for various reasons, simply not conducive to dramatic expression. So this was the discussion on the development of drama in the Age of Transition. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.